Good morning, hello and welcome. We're out and about again today. We're in Colditz and behind me is Colditz Castle. We're going to do a bit of filming around the town today, not for long I tell you, because it is properly raining, and we are going to Colditz Castle tomorrow because it's Monday and it's shut.
Yeah.
So no further ado.
Because we're getting wet.
Yeah, and it's not very nice. So we'll go and show you around. See?
Yeah. Just follow us round.
Follow us round. Well, yeah. Here we are. We're stood on the bridge over the river.
It's not over the river Kwai, it's over
the river. So yeah, a few ducks and what have you down the bottom there. Looks quite clear.
I don't think it's overly deep.
No.
But I bet it's cold.
Yeah. Well, it's flipping cold now anyway, isn't it? So anyway, that's the weir. Let's have a look on this side. We'll run across the road quickly before we get run over by a big green bus. So there you go.
And there
is where they
were hoping to take the glider from.
Yeah, up the top there. I don't know how they did that, I do not know. They must have been bonkers. Anyway, here we go, into Colditz. But we're going to go...
Can we just have a look down that road?
Yeah, we can have a look down that road first too. Should be something more important than what we've seen before, which is not a lot.
No, there's not a lot here as towns go, is there?
No. No, it's not. There isn't really anything that's... You won't come here for your holidays for a week.
No, really, it's just to visit Colditz. There's not a lot else.
No.
To visit the castle, well, because this is Colditz.
Yeah.
There's a few shops down there, not much.
No.
It's mostly cafes.
Yeah, which sell very, very bland pastries and... Yeah.
Everything in this country seems quite bland these days. Well, pastry-wise,
yeah,
they're all pretty much the same. Very custody.
Yeah, very custody. Right, so even down there isn't a lot of anything, is there?
No.
Right, so we're going to go... Not done by us. So, I don't know about this. Okay, don't know if you can see that or not. It's not done by us, but yeah. There are a lot of these billboards about these two people, but I have no idea.
I think it's local elections coming up.
Yeah, it could be, because they could be even bigger than that, because they were in Berlin.
Oh yes, possibly.
So
some sort of elections.
Yeah, some sort of elections. You've got a sports field, a running track, football, HFC Colditz. Yeah. Well, there you go. So we're just going to walk down to the river.
Yeah, there was a weir somewhere down here.
That end.
That end, right.
Yeah, we're going to walk round to the weir. So, yeah, it's a better day than it was yesterday.
Weather-wise.
Weather-wise.
It's a bit colder.
It is, but better.
But drier.
Yeah, definitely wet yesterday. You'll see when we did the first bit of the video, it was we got quite wet and quite lost going back to the campsite, which is not unusual for us.
We didn't go wrong, did we?
No.
We just weren't certain we were going the right way.
Yeah.
And then we had, what, about 50 yards?
Yeah.
Too much?
Yeah.
Double back on ourselves?
Yeah. A bit Tom Jonesy, wasn't it? It's not unusual. It's not unusual. Anyway, there you go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it's Tuesday here. It's not exactly busy.
No, it isn't, is it?
No, and it wasn't busy yesterday.
No. And that was well, it was Bank Holiday Monday. Yippee!
It was in England, not in here.
Oh, right, okay.
hopefully we'll be able to see Colditz in a minute, where they would have, if they'd got that far, flown the glider from.
Yes. Yes, they did.
Which, watching the film, would have worked.
Yes.
Had the wind been right.
Yeah.
Because there was a reconstruction
upstairs, which I actually touched, and the wings are quite taut.
I tried to touch, I couldn't reach.
No.
Arms not long enough.
Yeah. Yeah, it's quite taut.
Yeah, and it would have got them over the river and hopefully
Away.
But it would have been two people back to back, and there was only one dummy in it when they actually tried to do it on the reconstruction.
Yeah, because one dummy was enough to do it, I think.
Yeah, it was just to see if it would work.
And it did.
Yeah.
It did. I tried the machine that's upstairs to try and see whether I could fly it, and I tried 3 or 4 times and crashed every time.
Oh, I didn't see the machine.
Oh, but then I'm not a pilot, so.
You'd gone on ahead of me. I was reading.
Yeah. To be fair, Colditz Castle's okay. Big disadvantage was those stupid iPad type things, which were
they
cumbersome,
worked,
and I wasn't impressed.
No, it just gave you a view of the room as it would have been. That was all. We just sort of furnished it and put a few people around. Right, here's where. That's where it would have taken off from, isn't it?
Yeah. Up there.
You see where the.
Yeah, it's the furthest apex roof.
Where you see the black sort of spire over that side.
To the left of that.
To the left of that, the very last
apex roof.
That's where it would have taken off from.
Yeah.
Or where it did take off from.
Where it did take off from.
Because they cleared half the town in case of accidents.
Yes, they did, yeah. Yeah, just turn that off. We've had all sorts of problems with bloody microphones and stuff, haven't we?
Yeah.
All seems to be back working again properly, and then blow me down, we did stuff at when we went to see Harry, and we got back and most of the video got no sound on it.
And some of the video we lost.
Yeah, it just never was there. So God knows what we did yesterday. Had a right bloody mare. It was a bit of a doozy yesterday, wasn't it?
Yeah.
We got lost. Yeah, and nearly ended up in the congestion zone, which went brilliant. We did get out of that one pretty easily. Then we went to see Harry into Poland. That all went quite well, didn't it? Oh, there you go. That went fairly well, and then
we decided we knew better than the Garmin.
Yeah, so we took a detour because it looked like the Garmin was going to take us absolutely miles the wrong way. So we looked on the map and we decided we were going to go this way. Now, what happened, Susie?
Garmin said you can't go that way. So we went about 4 miles out of our way.
We ended up in a little town, didn't we?
Yeah.
Oh, near the German-Polish border, and we were going round and round and round.
We weren't actually going round and round in circles.
It did feel.
Taking us correct, it felt like it.
Yeah, it took ages to get out of that damn place, and yeah, it wasn't fantastic. So then we came to here, to Colditz, and we were trying to find the campsite, and the road was shut. And I'll just show you around here. Quite nice buildings and what have you, isn't it? And the road was shut. Oh, that way, see.
And we ended up in a tiny little village, and a man very kindly said, I'll take you to the campsite.
Like in German?
In German. But it was only like 2 minutes down the road from where we were.
Well, yeah, and the little track was unbelievable. It was like a little dirt track, wasn't it, to get to the campsite?
Yeah, because we couldn't come in the way we should have come in because the road was shut.
Yeah, so that was quite funny. Then
Yesterday was pretty much bad with
yeah,
driving.
yeah, it was horrendous. So anyway, we got parked up. We got parked next to a nice big German motorhome, and we got all set up, and the people were having a barbecue because it wasn't bad. It was all right then. And we said hello, and they said hello back, and which was quite funny. And then we got chatting to them and found out they were from England. And they...
Not only from England.
Yeah, well, this is the best bit. So they live in Germany now and work over in Germany. The guy's retired and the lady's still working. And then this morning we got chatting to him again because he's got problems with his hoister. It wouldn't go down. So I lent him some tools and what have you for that to work. And lo and behold, he said, oh, I said, I've been in maintenance, and so always got plenty of tools and stuff. There's a cafe there, Sue. Or there's a cafe here.
Whichever one.
I don't mind.
Finish what you're saying.
Yeah, anyway, this is the square.
You're waffling.
And found out that she asked you where we lived.
Yeah.
And so it's not Lincoln. It's not really. We're from Lincoln. We've got a house in Lincoln.
No, they haven't. They used to live in Woodall Spa.
That's
They worked at RAF Waddington. They sold up Woodall Spa to come over here and just bought a house on spec to keep their foot in England at Waddington.
Which is 5 miles from our house.
Yeah. And they knew where we live.
Yeah, unbelievable.
Yeah.
Unbelievable. Dead funny. Anyway, we're going to go and have a cup of coffee. There's Colditz Castle, a little bit closer this time. This is the main square, and yeah, time for a coffee and a cake or something. So we'll see you in a bit.